Now, what was the relationship like between Carl Robanske from Embracing Orphans and the girls at the transitional facility called Father's House? Well, according to the report from the Office of the Children's Advocate, during 2020, he visited the facility on a number of occasions to sometimes watch movies, eat snacks and ice cream, play board games, and have conversations. There were even trips to different attractions such as Duns River Falls and Cool Runnings. Amidst the fun and excitement, though, allegations of sexually inappropriate behavior from the man they called Uncle Carl. One resident, Resident A, said she accepted a friend request from him on social media site Facebook. The messages and video calls were casual at first, but then they became serious. 3 incidents were highlighted in the report. In the first incident, she said they were on a Facebook video call when he showed her his erect, naked penis while in his bathtub. The second incident took place while they were at Duns River Falls. She said he pulled her close to him in the water and told her to feel his penis. She looked, saw his erect penis, but did not touch it. She pushed him away with her foot. He came close to her again and asked if his penis was bigger than her boyfriend's. In addition to that, she said he skillfully touched her buttocks while they were in the water so no one would notice. Uncle Carl also told her to keep it a secret. She felt assaulted, but she did not raise an alarm because she felt he could have his way with her because he was paying her school fees. She had gone through a lot and did not want to jeopardize her scholarship. In Incident 3, during a conversation on Facebook Messenger, he expressed a desire to have a threesome with her and 2 other residents at the facility and gave details about what he wanted to do with them. Now, the young lady's boyfriend at the time saw the sexual messages when he accessed her Facebook account. He and his girlfriend shared their passwords with each other. This is a screenshot of one of those messages. The boyfriend said when he saw the messages, he called Uncle Carl and told him to stop messaging his woman and also threatened to report him. He said shortly after he spoke to the man, his girlfriend called him and told him not to call Uncle Carl again because he was her sponsor. Uncle Carl was paying her school fees and she was living in his house. Now, as we stated earlier, Carl Robanske is founder and CEO of Embracing Orphans. He's pictured on the screen here. According to the report from the OCA, he established a presence in Jamaica in 2007. His recurring theme, Jesus, Orphans, Jamaica, that's us. In 2013, the facility he opened called Father's House started accepting wards of the state as they transitioned out of state care. This was Carl Robanske at one of his church services.
Good morning, Reality Church. I liked that. I heard at least one morning over there. I have felt so welcomed. My name is Carl Robanske. I am not from Nebraska. I am from Walla Walla, Washington. It's not a joke. It is the name of the town. It's a town so nice they named it twice. Someone back in Walla Walla is hearing this and saying, why did you do that? Today is Orphan Sunday, and in 90 countries around the world or more, people are gathering together to talk about the plight of the orphaned, broken families, and what we can do as a church to care for them.